Hi, welcome to another video on Kylie Wilcox's YouTube channel. And today we are doing makeup tutorial part 2. So my last one, which was like my third or second video, I did horrible. Let me just tell you, it was awful. That's how bad it was. I even thought it was horrible myself. So I'm gonna try to do my best. And remember, I'm not that good at makeup, but I put it on almost every day now. So let's get on to the video and see how I do. I have this eyeshadow palette that's from La Colors. And so are these brushes if like you're actually gonna do this makeup, not if you're just watching me. We also have this, which I probably won't use because it gets all over the place and I don't want to like have to spend 50 hours scrubbing my face, and yes, it might take 3 days. I have this little eyeshadow palette.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So we're going to be using this palette. Let's get on to doing the makeup. So I'm going to be using this bottom one right here. It's kind of like a pinkish glittery, what you would use like right here. So I'm just going to grab some and some. And there. I'll kind of give a little shine to your cheekbones. And once you rub it in, it'll kind of like match up. And secondly, I like to use this one just to get right here. Don't ask, just watch. So now I'm going to be using this. And put it right here. I like to try to line it up the same place where I put on this cheek and on this cheek. So say I put it right here where normally dimples would go if you have them. I would put it right here where dimples would go still. I'm just talking about dimples now. Whatever. And there. So I'm gonna contour my nose with this palette. It's kind of like a shady, kind of like this one, but a little bit lighter. And I'm just gonna dab some on my nose and some right there. So I'm done with this now, so I'm just gonna set it aside and move on to the liquid glow, and the brand is Sace Lady. And yeah, so I'm gonna just gently like put a little on my finger and just put in the spots where I need it, I guess. So I have gentle amount, and I'm gonna put some one there and one there, and right there and right there. Now I just gotta rub it in. glitter headband. So I'm going to be using the liquid glow again, and I'm just going to put it where I need it instead of putting it on my finger. So right, now to rub it in. Mama, look at the shine. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, I can't say I'm beautiful myself. I'm gonna use this little blush thing, I think it is. So, oh wow, the mirror. I'm gonna gently dab it on my cheeks, or brush it. Sorry if you can't see it, but I can actually really see it. Moving on to the main beautiful part, the eyes. This is from Lock Colors, again, as I already said. And look at all the beautiful colors. Now moving on to the Midnight sMoKeY eye. So I'm going to first start using a dark blue, a little bit of white to go in between the blue and the black. So I'm going to gently dab it on my brush. And I have the blue, so let's add it to my eye. I'm going to have to close it. That sound though.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna add a little more. So this little mess up is what the makeup remover is for. So I'm gonna grab one and just try to wipe some off. Sorry if this looks really dope. It's not even useful. So off camera, I put some under my eyes, you can see, and I'm gonna basically put the black over, and then I'm gonna put some white in between them after, and then maybe put like white dots on the black and blue, so it kind of look like they're stars. Be using a big brush. Look like I have a black eye, but that's not a problem. Why isn't this makeup useful? I'm gonna add a little gray because the black is just showing up like plain white. So I'm just gonna add black right here, and I removed some because it actually looked really bad. But I'm gonna keep trying, so here we go. This might actually turn out good. I'm gonna use a skinnier brush to do the outline of it. I'm looking in my mirror, so if I'm not looking at you, I'm just looking in my mirror. So I am now grabbing the white to put in between the black and blue, because it's actually hard to tell that that's not black. So let's get on it. And it's making it shine too, like it's a moon. Fact. Okay, it's more turning to look like blue and a moon, so it might work out. So I'm gonna put white under my eyebrow and the black. So, yeah. I'm gonna add a little more black to this part because it looks mostly white, and then it won't stand out. I'm also gonna add a little bit of the dark blue. Alright, now time to add a little white to the edge, which will make it stand out more. Well, actually, I think I should add that, because it's kind of like a goldish, silvery, whitish, so might work. Yep, it works. And I'm gonna still add a little more right here. I'm gonna add some purple to finish up on my midnight smoky eye. So I'm gonna use the purple, as I said, and a little bit of the red next to it, so like stand out more, and just put it a little bit under the white. And it actually looks way better. And maybe a touch right there. Alright, it looks good. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna do this eye off camera so you guys won't have to watch this entirely boring video for so long of your life. So, see you later. So, I'm done with this eye, and I honestly think that I did a way better job on the first one. And now we're gonna move on to the lipstick. Why can't I get it right?
One eternity later.
So my first lipstick is done. Now I just have to put the lip gloss, and the brand is Hard Anaya, I think. But I'm gonna put it on. So this is my final look. How do you like it? I think it looks beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this is gonna take a lot of time to get off because I used a lot of makeup. So hopefully this can get to 18-20 likes, please. And leave a thumbs up and a comment, not a hate comment, a comment. And bye, see you in my next video.